In this video, I will share you how to create your own PDF chat app like PrivateGPT and chat with your own documents. And ask any questions related to your documents. Upload your PDF documents and click Add Data and Start Now. For example, I upload my This Crypto Status PDF file. Add data. My data uploaded successfully, so I start chat now. I upload my This PDF file, so I ask question related to this PDF file. This PDF file about last year, crypto, and Web3 related data. So I ask questions related to this PDF file. My first question: what is Web3? What is Web3? Web3 refers to the third era of the Internet, which combines the decentralized, community-governed ethos of the first era with the advanced, modern functionality of the second era. It is characterized by open protocols that are decentralized and community-governed, giving people property rights and the ability to own a piece of the Internet. Web3 aligns network participants to work together toward a common goal: the growth of the network, and empowers a collective-owned future over a corporate or government-owned future. It is expected to unlock a new wave of creativity and entrepreneurship in various industries such as gaming, social media, and finance. What is NFT? What is NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token. It is a unique digital asset that is stored on a blockchain and represents ownership of a specific piece of content or asset, such as art, music, or virtual real estate. NFTs are designed to be scarce and cannot be replicated, making them valuable to collectors and investors. So let's start and create this type of web app using OpenAI API Key, LangChain, and Streamlit. Hey there, welcome back to AutoGPT Tutorials. Have you ever dreamt of having your own private AI assistant, capable of chatting based on your own documents? Well, you're in for a treat today. We're going to show you how to create your very own PrivateGPT using the OpenAI API Key, LangChain, and Streamlit. Yes, you heard that right, you'll be developing a personalized AI chatbot tool that can comprehend and respond based on the specific documents you provide. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a curious beginner, we've got you covered. We're breaking this down into simple, easy-to-follow steps so that everyone can get in on the fun of creating their own AI chatbot. So, buckle up, and let's dive straight into the world of personalized AI creation. Let's get started. First, you set up your Python development environment in your system. If you don't know how to set up, then watch this video and set up now, link available in the description. After set up your environment, create a folder and open in your Visual Studio Code editor. And go to our GitHub page and open Chat with PDF repository, all video related links available in the description, so check now. Chat with PDF books using OpenAI API Key, LangChain, and Streamlit. Go to Code tab and copy this GitHub repository link and move to your code editor. Open your terminal and open Command Prompt. And download GitHub repository using this command git clone and paste your GitHub repository link. Your GitHub repository downloaded. Let's move to repository folder using cd chat with PDF and enter now. Currently, I use my base Python environment, so I create a new virtual environment using this command conda create name chat app python equals 3.11.3 and enter now. Activate your virtual environment using this command. So I copy this command and paste now. You see my base environment change with new chat app environment. After activate your environment, install all required dependencies. Using this command, pip install our requirements.txt and enter now. All your dependencies install successfully. After install all your dependencies, go to your app.py file and edit your OpenAI API key. So let's create a new OpenAI API key. Go to platform.openai.com. Go to your account and open View API key. And create new API key. Copy this API key and paste in your file. And save your file. I use this API key only for this video, so after this video, I will delete this API key. Let's run your app.py file using this command. Streamlit run app.py and enter now. Your local host server start right now. Your app runs successful without any issue. Chat with PDF. Upload your documents and start chat now. I upload this PDF file. And click Add Data. My data successfully added. So I start chat now. My first question, tell me about this documents. Tell me about this documents. The first piece of context is a disclaimer stating that the information presented in the website has been obtained from third-party sources, and A16Z has not independently verified the information. State of Crypto 2022, published by Andreessen Horowitz. The report provides an overview of the third era of the Internet, also known as Web 3, which combines the decentralized, community-governed ethos of the first era with the advanced, modern functionality of the second era. My next question, what is Web 3? What is Web 3? According to the State of Crypto report by Andreessen Horowitz, the third era of the Internet, also known as Web 3, combines the decentralized, community-governed ethos of the first era with the advanced, modern functionality of the second era. This new era aims to unlock a new wave of creativity and entrepreneurship. Web 3 gives people property rights and the ability to own a piece of the Internet, aligning network participants to work together toward a common goal, the growth of the network. It empowers a collective-owned future over a corporate or government-owned future, making it more resilient, equitable, and participatory. Expect many more experiments with DAOs, social tokens, decentralized social networks, Web3 media, and other emerging categories. My last question, what is DeFi? What is DeFi? DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance, which refers to a financial system built on blockchain technology that operates independently of traditional financial intermediaries such as banks. It allows for decentralized lending, borrowing, and trading of cryptocurrencies and other digital assets. DeFi protocols are open source and accessible to anyone with an internet connection, enabling greater financial inclusion and transparency. Conclusion. And that wraps up our tutorial on creating your own PrivateGPT using the OpenAI API key, LangChain, and Streamlit. It's truly fascinating how you can now have an AI tool tailored specifically to your documents, isn't it? With this, you've taken a huge leap into the world of AI and personalized it to suit your needs. Remember, the key to mastering AI is practice, so don't hesitate to try this out multiple times with different documents. And don't worry about getting it right on the first try. The beauty of learning is in making mistakes and improving. We hope you found this tutorial informative and easy to follow. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in creating their own PrivateGPT. If you have any questions, or if you run into any problems, leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out. Lastly, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. We've got a lot more tutorials, insights, and AI news coming your way. Thanks for joining us today on AutoGPT Tutorials. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning. Happy coding!